Well, here's another video of the snow in Atlantic City. I'm going to say there's probably about 12 inches, maybe more, and it's still snowing. It's just unreal. The visibility is a quarter of a mile in that direction. Quarter of a mile in that direction. Can't even see the rest of the boardwalk. Can't even see the beach. Can't even get into Landshark Bar and Grill at resorts. It's snowed in. Oh my lord. Steel Pier. Oh my lord. Thank God it's closed. Even the palm trees outside of Landshark have snow on them. And doing a video. Yeah, I'm going to do a video of it. I'm good. I'm good. I've been posting them on YouTube.
Oh, yeah?
I got somebody.
You put it on the YouTube?
Yeah, put it on YouTube.
Wow.
I already got somebody from Storyful that wants
okay.
to take the footage.
You want me to help you out for your...
Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I've been doing this since about 4 something this morning.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, there's a snowman outside of resorts. The two of the resorts girls, they
look at that.
He's a pretty good snowman, I gotta say that much. He even has a hat and a scarf and a Hawaiian lei. Yeah, there you go. Okay, Storyful, hope you like this.